Hey everybody, I'm Scott Leese. I've spent the last couple decades helping founders, CEOs, and sales leaders figure out why growth looks good on paper but feels broken in real life. I've worked with over 160 startups at this point in time, from day one chaos to unicorn exits, and I've been a rep, a leader, a founder, and the guy that brought in by other people when things are on fire to fix stuff. What I do is pretty simple. I help people find the real problem, not the one they're hiding behind. The actual struggle. I help teams build revenue systems that actually work. I help leaders stop confusing activity with progress. I don't sell hype, I don't sell shortcuts. I sell clarity, discipline, and execution. So if you care about real growth, real leadership, and doing the work when it's uncomfortable, then you're in the right place. I'm a fractional CRO, strategic go-to-market advisor, and we also do fractional RevOps work for our clients all around the world. All deal sizes, all industries, totally agnostic. So I'd love to help out if you're looking for help getting your sales motion in place, working on your messaging, working on some operational rigor. Give me a shout. Thanks.